Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 解, 谢, 借 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Without further ado, let's write. This is a polyphone. It can be pronounced as 解, 谢, or 借, according to different contexts. 解, to divide, to open, 解开, to know, 了解. As Chinese feminine name, it pronounced as 谢. Feminine name 谢. 借 means to transport under guard. Under guard. For example, 借送. Sent under guard. 了解 to understand. 了解 了解 to realize, to understand. Realize. I found it difficult to understand him. 我发觉了解他是很难的。I found it difficult to understand him.我发觉了解他是很难的。我发觉了解他是很难的。I found it difficult了解 to understand. 很难的 I found it difficult to understand him. 我发觉了解他是很难的。My daily handwriting on the character 解。解 to divide, to open, to know. 谢 借 to transport under guard. 借送 sent under guard. 了解 to understand, to realize. I found it difficult to understand him. 我发觉了解他是很难的。解 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 姐. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.